Hello, my name is Sawan and I am today again here of the day 7 challenge numbers challenge of English communication that I learned through ChatGPT, which is artificial intelligence now. Today the ChatGPT given me again two challenges that I completed. The first challenge was given to me is uh, which one of the skill that I want to learn and why. So to answer this question, I told I want to learn or improve my writing skill because as now I know my writing skill was not is not good right now. So to improve it, I want to learn writing skill. Okay, and again my aim to clear the UPSC exam, and in the UPSC mains there is a special uh, the paper especially depend on the essay writing, and which uh, depend on the writing skill. So to improve my writing skill, uh, I started uh, reading the NCRT from class 6 to 12, and when I read the first chapter, then the back questions I attempt that back questions and write the answer in my own word, and on the base and based on my understanding, and later I check the correct answer and evaluate them, and again write to best possible answer and to improve the structure, and that's all. And the second challenge that was given to me is which is my favorite season and why. So my favorite season is monsoon, because in monsoon we all know it's a kind of uh, it's a kind of season when everyone feels happiness. It provide pleasure and satisfaction to us. Okay, when the first uh, raindrop touch the ground and the smell of the wet soil in the air is really amazing, and I can't able to explain it and able to describe it, but it is very beautiful and peaceful to heart and to the soul. Okay, and after the rain, everything becomes green. Either it is the trees, the plants, the ground, and even if you look at your around, it seems that everything is start at the living. So it kind of thing is really matters, and the one of the most thing that I loved during the monsoon uh, is to take a shower in the rain. Okay, and also I love the cycling when it's drizzling. I love the monsoon season because it's a kind of peaceful thing, and that's what. So these are the challenges that are given to me, and thank you.